Are you looking for home remedies for toothache? Are you someone who is suffering from toothache from time to time, and are you looking to treat yourself at the comfort of your home? You must watch this video. There are so many articles and videos on the internet, it's actually very confusing and misleading. If you're someone who is scientific minded, you must watch this video to understand the science and logic behind toothache. Hi, this is Dr. Ganesh Prasad from T32 Dental Care, Bangalore. If you want to know how to take care of your teeth and oral health in a better way, please consider subscribing to the channel. Before understanding the solutions, that is remedies for toothache, let's try to understand the problem first. So what are the reasons one can get toothache? Here are the most common ones. Number one, a deep cavity. A deep cavity which has gone so deep it's almost near the nerves, that is pulp, at the core of the tooth. This pulp has number of nerve endings, and these nerve endings can carry the sensation of pain to your brain. Here the tooth is still alive. Number two, a deep cavity which has gone so deep that it has now killed the tooth. Now inside of the tooth is filled with bacteria, and these bacteria are causing infection not just inside the tooth but also around the tooth, that is bone around the tooth. And the pain now is originating from around the tooth. Number three, food lodgement, that is food getting stuck between two teeth because there is a cavity between two teeth or there is a gap between two teeth. And the food which has stuck between teeth is causing inflammation of the gums, and the pain is now coming from the gums. Number four, gum diseases, gingivitis or periodontitis. There are different kinds of gum diseases which can cause pain. Number five, wisdom tooth which does not have space inside your mouth to come out. That can cause pain. Number six, a cracked tooth, a fractured tooth or a cracked tooth can cause a very bad pain. Number seven, sinusitis. There is an air-filled structure inside your skull just above your upper jaw which is called as sinus. Some of the upper teeth have their roots inside the sinus, and if there is an infection or inflammation of the sinus, which is very commonly associated with common cold and flu, this can cause tooth pain. Number eight, neurological pain. Pain associated with nerves in the facial region, a most common one being trigeminal neuralgia. Now these causes which I already mentioned are the most common ones, and there could be a number of other causes as well. Now, having listed the most common probable causes, I want to tell you something very important. Majority of the people, despite having some of these problems inside their mouth, they do not get pain. Yes, most of the people who have tooth issues in their mouth do not get pain, and when they come to know about the problem, it's already too late. So in a way, if you get toothache, you should consider yourself lucky, because it is your body warning you that listen, there is something wrong. So coming back to the topic, do you want home remedies for your toothache? As I already mentioned, there are so many articles and videos which recommend different home remedies, but none of those remedies address the real issue behind the toothache. Some of those remedies might reduce the pain temporarily, but what about the issue that was causing the pain? If that cause is not addressed, the condition will only worsen with time. A peculiar thing with tooth problems is that if it is not addressed, it will not stop there. It will only keep on progressing. What do I mean by that? Let me explain. If you have a cavity, it can be filled. If you have a deep cavity which has gone inside the tooth, a root canal can save the tooth. Likewise, for every tooth problem, there is a specific treatment. It is not about the pain, it is actually about the issue, tooth issue that is causing the pain. If you do not have pain, or if your pain is reduced, it does not mean that your problem is solved. Therefore, in this era where you have such good quality treatments for your dental issues, seeking home remedy for a dental problem is negligence in my humble view. So instead of looking for home remedies for your precious teeth, get yourself treated by a trained professional, that is a dentist. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment box. I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dr. Ganesh Prasad signing off.